This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by loading Desmos and entering the quadratic formula y equals x2 plus bx plus c so you can manipulate parameters directly. Type that expression into a new expression line. Once done, set a equals 1, b equals 0, c equals 0 to display a standard parabola and understand its baseline shape. Make sure to label each parameter line so you can change values quickly. This first step establishes the variables you'll tweak and gives you immediate visual feedback while you learn how each coefficient affects the curve. Next, focus on how A, B, and C alter the parabola. Increase it to steepen, decrease toward 0 to widen, or flip sign to reflect. This shows the y behind shape changes. Once you change B, watch the axis of symmetry and vertex shift horizontally, which helps you predict root behavior. Then adjust C to translate vertically. Use sliders or the value box for precise increments and consider adding a table to plot sample x, y points so you can confirm intersections and vertex coordinates while experimenting. To finish, compute the vertex and roots. Plug x equals b slash 2a into y or add that expression so Desmos plots the vertex automatically. This reinforces the connection between algebra and graph. For roots, either apply the quadratic formula or draw y equals 0 and use the intersect tool to get exact x-intercepts. If your parabola doesn't appear as expected, make sure it is not 0 and that you've entered operators properly, because a small syntax error or a hidden variable can hide the curve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.